my beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you probably saw by the title of this video, today we will be trying out this DIY dip powder kit. And I got this kit from Temu. It was like $5 and some change. So we're gonna try it out on my nails today and see how it actually works. So this set basically comes with everything you need to do your nails at home. We got a wood stick, a mini buffer, and a mini nail file. It does come with instructions as well, so this is beginner friendly. This will be my first time trying out this dip powder. So you get your base, which is number 1, and then your activator, which is number 2, and then your gel top, which is number 3. And then you also get 4 different colors, so they do have different sets as well, but I got the pastel set because it's springtime and I was really feeling the pastels. Oh, and it comes with a little nail brush as well. So I'm gonna be doing the yellow color today because I'm really feeling this yellow. It's like screaming out to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out everything I need and put the rest of the colors away, and then we're gonna go ahead and start with our nails. So firstly, we're going to start with prepping my nails, and my nails is in a state at the moment, and this one broke. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a tip on that nail. So if you do want a little bit of length or even want your nails really long, I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. So I'm gonna start with pushing back my cuticles, and you can start with filing your nails too if you'd like. It doesn't really matter. Next, you can go ahead and trim your cuticles. I don't really like to cut my cuticles, but I do like to use this tool to cut any hangnails that I might have. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and file and shape my nails. I don't really like the nail file that came with the set, so I'm gonna be using a different file. I'm gonna be doing a square shape, but you can do whichever shape you'd like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and gently buff my nails. So this buffer is like really small. It did make it harder to like buff, but use what you have. Now that I'm done buffing, I'm gonna go ahead and get my nail extension for my middle nail. So if you do want nail extensions, this is how you will do it with the dip powder. So firstly, you will need nail extensions, and you can get this from Temu as well for under $5. So you're gonna go ahead and find a tip that fits your nail. And once you have found your nail tip, you're gonna go ahead and stick that onto your nail using nail glue only. So now that you have your tip on your nail, you can cut it to whichever length you want. Now you're gonna go ahead and file and shape it, and also try and blend it in with your natural nail as much as you can. So now that we are done with all that, we're gonna clean up our nails with some alcohol, or you could use acetone if you have, and then we are ready to start dipping. So we're gonna start by painting on number 1, which is our base coat. And then we're gonna go ahead and dip it in our powder. So I completely forgot to open up my dip powder first. So I decided to paint another coat of the base. And try and keep your dip powder at an angle without spilling it like I did, so that you can get the powder on your whole nail. Repeat the step on all your nails. If you do get the base coat on the sides, you can use your wooden stick to sort of remove it, but do it before you dip it into the powder. Once you have done that on all your nails, you're just gonna take the brush and brush off any excess powder. So because this is a pastel yellow and we want the color to be solid on our nails, we're gonna go ahead and repeat the step until we have a solid color. Maybe 2 more coats will do. So this is what it looks like after 3 coats of powder. I know it looks a hot mess right now, but we are not done yet, so just trust the process. Next, we are going to go ahead and apply the activator, which is number 2. So next we are gonna go ahead and file and shape our nails once again. And this is a very important part because however you're gonna end up filing and shaping your nails is how your nails is gonna end up looking. This is the last step before we add our top coat. And you do wanna buff the top of your nails as well to sort of smooth it out. I like to file on top of my nail too if there's any edges that are not smooth. So once I'm done filing and buffing my nails and I'm happy with the way it looks, I will go ahead and apply the top coat, which is number 3, and you do need like 5 to 10 minutes for this to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and file the rest of my nails off camera. It's just easier for me to see what I'm doing. So this is what it looks like once I'm done filing and shaping it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the top coat onto the rest of my nails. So we're gonna wait a few minutes for these to dry and then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like once I'm done. It's not perfect, but it came out better than I expected. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other hand off camera just so that it's easier to do, and then I'll be right back with the final result. So this is what it looks like once I'm done. As you can see, the nails on my right hand is a little bit shorter than my left, but I didn't feel like putting tips on all of them. So hopefully it's not too noticeable. And then we're gonna end it off with some cuticle oil because my cuticles been through it after all of this. And that is the end result, you guys. Let me know what you think. And as always, I will leave all the links down below. And if you have any tips, comment down below. And I hope to see you on my next video. Until next time, bye.